Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and currently the Dow, S&P 500 are on pace for their worst days since January 3rd when we had that big collapse at the end of last year in December. As you can tell from the portfolio, it's looking pretty grim, and the reason is China's answer to the latest rounds of tariffs was to let the Yuan, their main currency, slide below the $7 level for the first time in more than a decade, fanning fears that it could further aggravate the ongoing trade war. The Dow's been down over 600 points currently, a few times a day, and is there now. But we'll start with the S&P 500 right here in our portfolio. As you can see, is down 2.3% on the day. And we'll take a look at the chart, and we'll keep an eye. We'll switch back to a daily chart. As you can see, we had a red weekly trade triangle issued at 2,963.44 last week. Currently, chart analysis scores -70, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the S&P 500. And like I said, currently down 2.3%, trading at 2,863.69 on the day. Now, I know we're a little bit away from it, but I'll give you a key level to watch for a red monthly trade triangle for the three major indexes, and that would, for the S&P 500, would come in at 2,728.81. Just something to keep back in your mind, a key level to watch moving forward as we head into this week, see if the escalation of trade tensions continue to push the market lower. Dollar index currently down about 0.4% on the day, trading at 97.51 with a chart analysis score plus 55. So overall, we're still in a long-term uptrend with a green monthly and a green weekly trade triangle in play, but coming under some heavy pressure as China devalues its currency. Key level to watch is 96.74. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently down 2.1%, trading at 25,904.91 with a chart analysis score -55. That red weekly trade triangle coming in play on the first of the last week. 26,665.57 would be 24,680.57. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move to a long-term downtrend for the Dow. Again, a little bit of room to go, so just a key level to keep in mind as we move forward. Nasdaq currently down 2.93% on the day, the worst of the three indexes, being that it is heavily tech laden with technology coming out of China. Chart now scores -70, currently trading at 7,768.12. Key level to watch will be 7,292.22. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. Again, quite a bit of ways to move, but with this fast acceleration to the downside, definitely something to keep in mind. Gold having a great day, up 1% as you would expect with the volatility in the markets. Chart analysis score +75, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for gold. Currently up, like I said, over 1%, trading at 1,475.60. Key level to watch should be 1,442.50. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for gold. Crude oil just continuing to plot along that $55, $56 range, currently $55.45, with a chart analysis score -90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 56.05. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. And the big shock of the day came yesterday with Bitcoin. We'll take a look at that. Currently up 1.4% on the day, but issuing a green weekly trade triangle at 11,370.78, pushing the chart analysis score back to a +90, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin, currently trading at 11,786.85. Key level to watch moving forward would be 9,111. A move back below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Just a key and just a thought. I've seen this before when the volatility hit the markets and with the trade tensions, that there was quite a bit of movement in China into Bitcoin. So the question you have to ask yourself is Bitcoin really China's new haven versus gold? Is it what they prefer to trade? Might be something to keep an eye on moving forward. Share your thoughts in a comment below. Every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back midweek to see where we stand in the markets.